Let's talk about the housing and equipment needed for poultry farming.
It's good to see you here today. We are going to be talking about the housing and equipment for poultry. So as you can see here on this screen, which I have shared, we are saying housing and equipment play a crucial role in the successful management of poultry farms, ensuring the health, welfare, and productivity of the chickens. Coops and housing structures. So when you are building your structure or your coop for your chickens, there are certain factors which you have to consider depending from where you stay or from your environment where you are living. So poultry housing structures can vary depending on the scale of operation. It can vary depending on the climate. It can vary depending on the management practices. And these structures can be either a building made of wood, cement, asbestos, plastics, glass, and any other materials which you are comfortable of using, but make sure that any material which you are going to use, it is going to be favorable for your chickens. Some of these structures are shown in the images which I'm going to show on this screen. So before I show you these images, I want to give you an assignment. Before you think of constructing any coop or any housing for your chickens, you have to check your climate. You have to make a research on your climate where you are staying. You have to know if you want to operate on a large scale or on a small scale. So all these factors, they contribute to whatever housing which you want to construct. If you're not sure about any of these, feel free to let me know in the comment section. I will actually help you, and I'm going to attach my mobile number on the description. You can just send me a message and I'll help you. For more videos, please click this button here so that you can watch my next video about the factors which you have to consider before constructing a coop or your housing for your chickens. So right now, I'm going to show you some pictures of other housing which have been made by people from different environments. So this is the first one which you're seeing here. You can choose to keep your chickens on a large scale, and this is called a free range poultry farm. You allow your chickens to move freely all over the farm during the day, then you can lock them up during the night. So this is the first structure which we have here, and this is the second one. You can either decide to build a structure which looks like this. It is also good for a small scale poultry farmer. And you can also use cement and bricks for this one. It is also good for you, and this one is good and it protects your chickens from noise. It can protect your chickens from also snakes, rats, and rabbits. This is the structure which you're seeing here. And this is the last structure which you are seeing here. So this one is when you're operating on a large scale. So in my next video, I'm going to talk about the factors which you have to consider before you start your poultry farm, or the factors which you have to consider before you build a structure or a housing for your chickens. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please wait for the next video.